Hey you guys, so welcome back to a new weekly vlog. Okay, so I know I'm looking a little bit crazy right now. I am getting ready to work out and I am working out at home, so that's another reason why I look so crazy, which I don't know, like I don't get super glam. Like the most I would do is probably like put on like lip gloss and some lashes if I was going out somewhere. But anyways, I wanted to talk to you guys about like what I do, what I incorporate. Now this week's vlog was supposed to be about my meal prep, and I honestly did not meal prep, but I did go ahead and go grocery shopping, but I just did not feel like meal prepping. But I have been eating at home every day, and I do cook for myself and everything every day, but I didn't do a meal prep, so I was like, okay, that sucks. We're not going to be able to talk about that in this vlog, but I did want to share with you guys like my at-home workout as it is right now. I do constantly try to change it because my body does seem to get used to a certain pattern and then things will stop working. So yeah, I try to like switch it up and everything, and of course I'm going to keep you guys updated on that. But I did want to tell you guys the simple basic things that I do to like work out and stuff. So I don't have really like any cute workout clothes as it is right now, but anyways, yeah, I'm just wearing like this really sturdy sports bra. I really like it. It has a lot of support. It does have really nice and comfortable padding. Another thing that I am wearing is my waist trainer. This is my waist trainer by New Shapes, and I adore and love them. I've been wearing their waist trainers and rocking them for a long time, and I was so glad when they reached out to work with me. I don't know if you guys have seen that video, but yeah, they did reach out to work with me, and I love their waist trainers. They're really high quality, really dope. And the bones are like really strong, and they last, okay, because I've had my waist trainers for over a year and they all still are amazing. The only one that I have new is the one that New Shape sent to me. If you guys are interested in New Shape's waist trainer, I would highly recommend them. They are super affordable and they really do work. I will try to go ahead and tilt the camera down so you guys can see like how it looks on me and everything. But also, if you guys are interested, I do have a coupon code and a link in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. Okay, so the camera is tilted a little bit, but I'm just trying to show you guys like how the waist trainer looks and everything. It is super comfortable. I don't feel like it's restricting or anything, but at the same time it is like holding me and keeping me like very firm. So I really do love this waist trainer. Like I said, the bones are really nice and high quality and everything. And yeah, I am just here for this waist trainer. So like I said before, if you guys are interested, I'll have a link in the description box below along with my coupon code. So I also wanted to let you guys know, because I'll probably do like a voiceover for the next part where I'm actually working out. So I have been using a vibrating plate. I wanted to make sure that everything worked. I've had this for several months, since like February, so I wanted to make sure that it worked before I went ahead and like just told you guys like, oh yeah, this works. Like, no. And then I wasn't going to be using it either, like it was going to go right back. But yeah, I wanted to let you guys know that I will be using a vibrating plate. I do something different all the time. This week I'm not incorporating like a kettlebell. That's usually what I do like off and on. So every other week I will incorporate a kettlebell or stretch bands or anything like something like that. So like I said, I try to keep it different for my body, because my body will get comfortable and be like, okay girl, I'm not doing like this is the same show, I already seen it before. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. But I will be showing you guys like obviously my vibrating plate, and then I will also get some footage of me on the vibrating plate. Okay divas, so first I like to grab the remote to this vibrating plate, and by the way, I will have a link in the description box below, but of course you need to make sure it's plugged in. I didn't do that, but anyways, I'm gonna grab the remote and then I'm going to put it on the settings. I'm gonna put it on the medium settings at first, and then I am gonna switch it to the highest setting because I like to just get all the intensity I can out of my workout. Now you can go in and just step on the vibrating plate and just sit there, but I am going to work out. And as you guys notice, I did spread my legs out a little bit. My feet is more towards the edge, and that's because I can feel the impact in my workout more. So the less you want to feel, just put your feet towards the middle. The more you want to feel, you could put it outwards, okay? day. So yeah, overall I think it is really nice and it does really work. So hopefully my opinion is helpful to you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was like a super quick mini vlog, but I failed to meal prep, so that is why, the vlog is so quick. But I will see you guys next week with a weekly vlog.